problems, card problems. Now I don't know anymore which is the good one. I will check out later. Maybe I need another card. It's 10 o'clock. The tent is fully in the sun, but I think at 1 o'clock it will be okay. And here I'm sitting. I will put a chin mount on the helmet now. Here we are in Trieste. The motorbike parked where it should not be. Far away, it's the same boat as last year, the biggest sailing yacht of the world. I think it didn't even move in this year. Breakfast. Another battery for the GoPro and a memory card. When I came back, I saw this. My telephone. I forgot to take my telephone. The heat is also affecting me. But we will go on. This afternoon, beach time. This is the beach of the camping. The only thing is there's not sandy and really spoiled. This beautiful sandy beaches with crystal clear water. There's an incredible heat wave in this part of Europe, so I still don't know what I will do tomorrow. Today was a rest day, but also a fun day. Keep on driving, and we'll see each other tomorrow.